Hi, this scatter is called count characters in your string. What do we have to do? Well, we have a function and it takes a string as an argument, and we have to return a dictionary with the amount of occurrences of every character in the string. Let's say that we have a string like ABA, then we should return a dictionary like this because we have two occurrences of A and one occurrence of B. Let's go. I want to go over two methods. First of all, what we have to do is to iterate through the string. So for character in string, let's print the characters first. And what I want to use is the count method. So we use the string, which takes the count method, and we pass in the character as the argument. Let's change this up to AB. Yeah. So that means we have two occurrences of B and two occurrences of A. Simple as that. And how do we put it in a dictionary? Well, that's the main question. So let's create an empty dictionary. And we can add them with two methods. First of all, we have the classic method. We use the dictionary and then square brackets to enter the keys. What are the keys? Well, on the left-hand side are the keys. That would be the characters. So let's put in the characters. Then we use a assign operator, which is an equal sign. And what are the values, which are on the right-hand side? Well, that are the amount of occurrences of every character, which we can find with the count method. So what happens when we return a dictionary now? And let's remove this. Then we have the expected result. Let's add a few other characters, like a few C's and a few X's. And there we go. Works like a charm. The alternative method, which I like more, which feels more intuitive to me, is the update method, which you can use in the dictionary. So again, we use dictionary, and then we build the method dot update. Then we put in the curly braces of the dictionary, and then a colon. So it takes this format. On the left-hand side, we should put in the keys that we want to add, and on the right-hand side, the values. Again, on the left-hand side, we use the characters as the keys. And what are the values? Well, the amount of occurrences, this one. These are the values. So let's put that in, and the result is the same. I want to go for this method. Let's test it out. Attempt. There we go. Works like a charm. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.